lovely day. Super day for a drive on a vintage car. This is a Vauxhall 1440. The baby Vauxhall, this one. Everybody knows the 3098, but of course the 1440 was 2.3 litre. Like its big sisters, it was a popular car in the Antipodes because they were incredibly strong. Such a rugged car, nicely engineered, and hence a good survival rate. And they're well catered for. There's certainly plenty of backup for these cars, and we thoroughly recommend them. All the details are on our website.